Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to take you through CloudSense's deal management function, exploring its main capabilities, including discounting, profitability, and P&L reports. This demo will show you how users can automate pricing approvals, grow revenue through increased deal conversion rates, control discounting, reduce the cost of acquisition, and arrive at the ideal price quicker. All of this can be done from a centralized automated control system that helps shape deals to meet target prices through guided discounting. We start in the Solution Console UI with a shopping cart that already has two solutions configured. Our first step is to launch the Deal Management UI, which offers a centralized view of all the configurations that have been included in this shopping cart. Firstly, we have a header with an overview of the details of the entire shopping cart, total contract value, and a table with all the different products that have been configured. We also have a color-coded deal scoring indicator that allows business users to see if deal profitability is good, fair, or bad based on margin. This indicator also appears individually at the configuration level. If we take a look at the table below, we can see all the configurations with pricing and quantity details. And we can also adjust pricing by either configuring the sales price or applying an absolute or relative discount through the discounting mechanism. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will do the former, adjusting the recurring price of the 20 meg internet product. And now we click on Save. And right away, the deal score for the internet product will go down as we have offered a discount of 50%. And the overall deal score for the entire shopping cart would also go down. And because we have surpassed a threshold level, we now have to submit this basket for approval. If we try to generate a quote now, we see a validation error because an approval needs to be submitted before generating this quote. So let's navigate back to the deal management screen and submit this basket for approval. Once this UI loads again, we will submit this basket for approval, given that the approval button has been enabled, which sends the shopping cart to the pricing approver for review as an email, indicating that this shopping cart requires approval with a link leading to the same deal management UI. So, playing the role of approver, we can decide if we want to approve this discount of 50% or if we want to reject it and provide reasons why. Let's go ahead and approve it for the purpose of this demonstration, and now, because this approval process has two levels of approval, it's also going to go to the VP of Sales. CloudSense integrates with Salesforce approval processes right out of the box, meaning that you do not require a separate approval engine. Let's give approval from the VP of Sales now, and we can see that the Submit for Approval button has disappeared. The status of the shopping cart has changed to Approved, and we are now able to generate a quote. Before moving on, over here on the right, there is a profit and loss report, both as a table and as a chart. Sales agents, VPs of pricing, pricing managers, and other business users can get a sense of how deals are performing and when cost is going to be below revenue. Let's close the Deal Management UI and go ahead and generate a quote. To do this, we use the Quote Generation button. This creates a snapshot of all information displayed in this deal, with a link to a PDF quote for the opportunity. In the Opportunity screen, there is a section called Notes and Attachments in which the quote document is attached. If we take a look at this quote document, we will see information in regards to the customer, and then a list of the line items and configurations added to this deal, including location information, quantity, and final prices. This is possible due to CloudSense's native document generation module. CloudSense also allows seamless integration to any other third-party document generation tool. Once this quote has been sent to the end customer and accepted, the next step is to synchronize the basket with the opportunity. So let's navigate back to the shopping cart for a second and perform the synchronization process. This will allow us to do two things. First, we can confirm that this is the version of the shopping cart that's going to go through, and that it is going to be part of the order management and order decomposition process. Secondly, it generates standard Salesforce opportunity line items, which provides reporting capabilities. And with that, we conclude the demonstration.